love what John Owen said. He's a 16th century Puritan, and he put it so well. He said, "No man has evidence of the love of Christ who does not delight in to serve Christ and do good for God's people." Listen, when you have love for God in your heart, you are serving not for what you get, not for what they can do. It's not a transactional thing. It's not a I scratch your back, you scratch mine. No. Jesus was serving out of who He was. That was who He is. In fact, in verse number 3, we read it. He understood that all things were put in His hand. And you say, well, God, listen, if God put all things in your hand, then why would you pick up the dirty towel? I want to encourage you with this. The reason why I picked up the dirty towel was to show us what we're meant to do. Our identity is first as sons, first as daughters, but then as servants. And God is calling us to pick up the dirty towel, to stoop down, to be someone who will look for the needs of others, who will say, hey, listen, I don't care what others say. I'm going to be a servant.